And this one, we're going to check whether this equation here looks kind of menacing at first actually is an equation or an identity. So the first stage is you take your 3 and distribute it over to the 4 and the 3. You also take the 5 and distribute it to the 2 and distribute it to the 4. So let's carry that out. You're going to have 3 times 4x plus 3 times 3 plus 5 times 2, so it's going to be 5 times 2x plus 5 times 4, so that's 5 times 4. And then you add the 5, and then you copy the right side, so it's 22x plus 34. There's a lot of simplification on the left side here. Let's carry that out pretty quickly, though. 3 times 4 will give you 12x. It's 3 times 4x. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 4 is 20. Add the 5. That's equal to 22x plus 34. At the stage number 4 here, gather all of the terms on the left side. So 12x and 10x, when you add that up, that's going to give you 22x. Then you'll have the following. 9 and 20, which is 29. 29 and 5 is 34. So you're going to put that as 34 in that position. And what you observe after that is that on the left side, you have 22x plus 34. On the right side, you have 22x plus 34. What this tells you is that this is an identity. So the original equation is an identity. In other words, this is the same. The left and right side are exactly the same. Take a look. For example, if you take 22x from both sides like this, you're going to end up with this. That 34 equals 34. This here is always true. It's a constant equal to the same constant. For that reason, the solution set would be what we call basically all real numbers or infinity. Any number that you plug back into the original equation will solve the equation, meaning the left and right sides will always be equal. Whether you plug in x equals 10 or 50 or 90 or negative 10.8 makes no difference. Every single value of x you can imagine will make the two sides equal. That's what the solution set equals to R, all real numbers or infinity means. And that's it. Thanks so much.